in.
Yo, yo, yo. Ain't no intro needed, but we gonna go still say it. Bring us all cake. But I tend to keep it a stack. Y'all know what time it is. Now look, this is, I ain't gonna say it's part 2, but to my real ones that clicked over just because y'all want to see how we gonna maneuver. My real Lotto heads, my advanced Lotto heads, y'all should already know how we would use that information and what I just had listed. But to my folks out there, like the young lady that hit me up in the on Instagram, y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, right? Don't be always hit me up about no daggone numbers either, huh? Instagram, Dread55, like for real. Don't be always hit me up for that. If you want to always hit me up about that, don't follow me on Instagram. You hear me? But let's get straight into it. All right. Now, on the 17th, excuse me, how we want to look at this? On the 17th of, for Maryland, y'all got 446, right? Y'all got 446, right? So Maryland, y'all got 446 during the nighttime, right? During the nighttime, 446. Now, like I said, you would use, like I said, y'all still got that, I still got that Maryland right there. Maryland 127. You will use that number as a rundown number, right? So now you just do your rundowns, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, right? 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, right? 3, 0, 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, right? Now, once you get that right there, once you get that information right there, now what you want to do? Use exactly right. For 446, that was on 417 nighttime, right? 417 nighttime. A lot of people get confused right here. 417 nighttime. So in order to find the next day number, which the next day number would be 418, you would use the 418 hit sum. So this was a one hit sum. Date sum, excuse me. That was a one date sum. On 418, you're going to use a 2 hit sum. So what are you going to highlight within here? The 1 or the 2? You're going to highlight the 2 because you're looking for the possible hit on the 18th. So the 18th during the daytime, 18th during the daytime, 418, right, is going to be 2. So we're going to highlight our 2s, right? We're going to highlight our 2s. Let me see. Highlight our 2s. I'm trying to do this quickly, y'all, so it don't have to be no long video, just a quick video. I think I might just upload this separately. Y'all get me? Highlight your 2s, right? Highlight your 2s. Now, once you highlighted your 2s, now you're going to look around for your hit. Look around for a possible hit, right? Now, from here, what was the previous day? Did I write down the previous day? I didn't write down the previous day, did I? What was y'all previous day? I think y'all previous day was 901. Now, 901, I don't think it was relatable. 901 was y'all previous day. 901 was on 417 during the daytime. That's a 0 hit sum. Right? And y'all hit that actually came was 783. Right? 783. That's a 783 is what came during the daytime. 783. Right? Y'all see that 783 connected to that too? This 783 right here connected to that too? So I'm saying this is for Maryland right here, but this is an example for everybody. Do it the same way. But you see how that 783 connected to that too? That 783 connected to that too? A lot of people didn't understand what that image was when I uploaded about that 1957, how those digits was touching. This is the brief explanation of that, right? 783 came out on March the 18th during the daytime for Maryland, right? On the daytime for Maryland. So now, going draw to draw, because that's what it looked like. Y'all can use 127 as Maryland, right? Going draw to draw, from 783 we would do 127, right? Because that's the rundown number. And then we would do 783. So I'm saying 783, and you would do your rundown, all right? So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I still see that down there? Yes, I can. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3, right? So like I said, any other state, New York, Virginia, Florida, Georgia, Maryland, wherever you are located at, California, Louisiana, wherever you are located at, take that digit that I just gave you from the previous video, right? Take that digit and do your rundown with it. Add it to your other rundowns, your 127 rundown now for Maryland. And add that with the 123 rundown. You look at the 123 rundown, the 111 rundown, and your 317 rundown, right? And in all three of those rundowns, you got one digit. They keep popping up. Now you look at the 127 and you see it pop up connecting to those, whatever that date sum is, because that's what the 2 is. The 2 is the date sum. If it's connected to that in this 127 as well, you got you a hit on your hands. You best be prepared to play accordingly, right? So on 783 came out during the daytime, 418. So on nighttime, 418, what's going to be our date sum? Want to be the same date sum, right? Date sum of 2. So you're going to highlight all your 2s. 2, 2, 2, 2. Right? Now, once you highlighted all your 2s, what are you going to do? You're going to look for your hit around there. Now, I seen, as far as with this right here, I wanted to use another color. As far as, let me just use black again. 783, that was the daytime, right? Daytime. Now, if you look at the previous nighttime number was what? 446. 446 was the previous night, right? That's a hit sum of what? 4. So now, for your next, just to help you out, because like I said, this 901 was a 0, so that didn't help as far as the 783. You would have to probably have been lucky or probably known that 783 was about to come out or whatever have you in order to catch that from that 446, right? But from that 446, that previous night on the 17th, you had 446, which is a hit sum of 4. So now you got a hit sum of 4. Now you looking for what? A 5 hit sum, a 4 hit sum, a 6 hit sum, and or a 9 hit sum, right? Right? These are all the possible hit sums in which you're going to be looking for around that 2 right there, right? Around that 2. So long story short, y'all see this, even though I don't like to do this, I really don't like to do this right here. Y'all see that 239 right here, 239. 239 right there, right? 329 right there, right? And it actually came 239. 5 and 9 gives you what? A 4 hit sum. Y'all see how I done that? Now, my Maryland people, like I said, if you're going to use 127, use it draw to draw. You see how I went? If I would have used that, when was 901? 901 was on the daytime. I didn't write that down. Excuse me. But from that 446, we got 783. From that 783, we got 239. You get me? That's going draw to draw. Just getting the digit in which we want to use for draw to draw. All states may not be like that. You got to go in there and put it in for your state to find out how you're going to operate as far as the digit that you have listed. California had 505, so instead of 127, you will have 505 California. Right? Virginia had 456, if I'm not mistaken. VA, we will have 456 instead of 127. Use these digits the most you can use them. Don't just play them. Use them in an actual rundown. You get me? So 127 for the Maryland example, we use 127. So we use 127 to backtrack it 446. Which I should have done a rundown to predict the number for the day, but I did not. But if we do 446, backtracking it, we see that 783 is there, connected to that 2. So now we go over and we do that 783 rundown 127, and we highlight our 2s. We see that 239 is still connected to that 2 right there, right? Like I told y'all, I don't like to highlight the actual date sum. I miss a lot of hits doing that. But if you look closely, that 329 is connected to that 2, that 2. Never mind that 2 that we had to circle to get that 329 because it came 239. Now, to help you get to that 239 or the result of that 239, you're going to be looking for a 4 hit sum, a 5 hit sum, a 6 hit sum, and or a 9 hit sum. So if you narrow it down and you know you're going to end up looking for a 4 hit sum, that 329 is a valuable play. Right? My real Lotto heads, y'all will probably hit that. Whether it's a box or whatever have you. Still valuable information, all right? Like I told y'all, quick video. Hopefully y'all understood that. Just a brief breakdown on how to use those digits that I just gave y'all. Everybody, every state, every country, every place that has a lottery, this is another way in which you can use it. The first time when I gave it to you guys, the first video, of course you just use it. Pull the number, play the number, right? Here, apply the number in your rundowns. Apply it in your rundowns and see what's goody. See what's goody. Get what I'm saying? Another way you can do it, of course, is just like I just listed, but I would just try this maybe once or twice, but like say 127, right? And then let's just say what came out, 239, right? And just add those digits up, old school fashion way, right? Lotto map still, 79, 6, 2 and 3 is 5, 1 and 2 is 3, 3, 5, 6. Run that 3, 5, 6 and see what come about it. See what come about it. So 8 and 6 is a hit sum of 4, right? That's still a hit sum of 4, so that's a good play. That's actually a good play. Get what I'm saying? That's a third way that you can use it. Pull the digits from whatever your state had, whatever the digit was listed for your state, take that, and then the second option is create an actual rundown for it. Use it as the 1, 2, 3 rundown, the 316, 317, whatever have you. Use it as that rundown, right? And you pull from it accordingly. Highlight your date sums, your root date sums, whatever floats your boat, right? Third way, just use that number, add it to the last hit, and get a number and run that number. You be surprised. You be surprised. And if you do hit off of it, don't think it's gonna hit like that every time. So just keep that in mind. Alright, y'all, that'll do it for this video right here. So, I don't know, y'all might get 3 videos today. My Lotto head, 3 videos, not 2, 3 videos. Because I think I got to put up a, whoever the next sign is, I don't know what sign it is, whatever the astrology sign is. I may upload it today, but if not, Be on the lookout for that. Till next time, it's been your boy Twin. Look, man, blessings on to my family. Blessings on to everybody that came back to actually watch this video. Maryland, this example was for you, but my real Lotto heads, my fellow Lotto heads, y'all know that this information applies to everybody. You just substitute Maryland number with your number, your correlated number from the previous video. Okay, we good. Till next time, it's been your boy Twin. Look, man, be yourself or be everybody else. And I'm out. Peace. Twins catalog has a variety of items. Designs are constantly updated. You heard me? We gotta be dripped out. T-shirt, long sleeve t-shirts, got your pillows, got your hoodies, got that Famlay hoodie. We got that Lotto head hoodie, a couple more Lotto head hoodies. We got the be yourself or be everybody else hoodie, along with the Famlay logo with yours truly face with that right there is all I see is Famlay. As you can see, the second design as far as the be yourself hoodie, the be yourself or be everybody else. As you can see, BYOB, BYOB, yeah. We out here along with the Famlay definition shirt. That's the newest update. We also have all over print. I'll insert a little clip. All over print. So just keep in mind that we stay updated, all right, y'all? We got Twin merch. That's the official Twin logo. We have Twin merch for my people out there that just strictly love the Twin merch. We have that Twin merch and so forth. Like I said, it'll be constantly updated. Y'all just stay tuned for future designs, all right? Peace.
Ever notice difference of Pringles and stacks? About 50 cents, that's not including tax. Pringles are okay, but I'd rather choose stacks. Pringles are okay, but I'd rather choose stacks. Pringles are okay, but I tend to keep it a stack. Claim to keep it real, but we know you ain't like that. Claim you wrote that song, but we know you ain't like that. Pringles are okay, but I tend to keep it a stack. 10 $100 bills, what's that? It's a stack, homie. It's a stack, homie. 10 $100 bills, what's that? It's a stack, homie. It's a stack, homie. Pringles are okay, but I tend to keep it a stack. Keep it a stack. Keep it a stack.